Hey guys, welcome to a special episode of Cooking with Jaclyn. I'm Jaclyn St James here in the test kitchen. Today I would like to talk about a product that I've recently discovered online, and it's just in time for the holidays. Panettone. Some of you have never heard of it or even seen it before, but you may have seen it and just overlooked it because I didn't know what it was until I just heard it online. Panettone, it's the cake in a box. Panettone is a holiday must and a tradition in over 2/3 of the world, and since Thanksgiving has just passed and Christmas and New Year's are right around the corner, what a better time than now for getting one, or two, or three. Problem is, it's going to be hard to resist indulging in one until then, and I don't see why we should. What could be better than the tall, delicious, moist cake, studded with dry raisins and candied fruit, with a smell of orange, rich with egg and butter, for breakfast with coffee, or as a French toast, or as toasted croutons and salad or dessert, or my favorite, a nice glass of wine. A traditional medieval Italian recipe, panettone was commercialized at the beginning of the 20th century by Angelo Motta, who gave it its tall dome shape by making the dough rise 3 times or almost 20 hours before cooking, giving it its now familiar light texture. The recipe was adapted by commercial giants like Nestle, and by the end of World War II, panettone was cheap enough for everyone and soon became the country's leading Christmas sweet. Northern Italian immigrants imported their love of panettone to Argentina and Brazil, and today panettone, also known as in Spanish as panettone or pan dulce, is a must at Christmas and New Year's Eve with cider or hot cocoa or liquor in all of Latin America. Made in authentic Italian fashion, the Brazilian-made Bauducco family, who makes the Bauducco panettone, takes an approximate 52 hours to make from start to finish before they are allowed to cool and are packaged for sale. It incorporates the highest quality ingredients like sun-made raisins and candied fruit in the traditional panettone, and in a new take on tradition, Hershey's chocolate chip. It's great for inexpensive, creative holiday recipes. Bauducco panettone also makes a creative and useful alternative to office gifts. With almonds and a sugar glaze, it comes premium packaged and especially an impressive gift. Pandoro, a new addition to the Bauducco family this year, is a specialty cake with powdered sugar and frosting. Bauducco panettone is already available for the holiday season at grocery stores, drugstores, and mass market retailers nationwide. So let's just try this panettone. I've never had it before. It looks good. Let's see. Very good. And you know what? For a cake in a box, you can't go wrong. This would be very good as a French toast. In the morning, yes. It has almost like this is the Hershey one. And it kind of has like a cinnamon taste, like an almond. One more bite. Oh, it is good. Okay. You can click on the link in my About section below this video to watch one of my favorite drag queens, and most of you already know her, and if you don't, the lovely and funny, and not to forget talented, Miss Coco Peru, as she shops for panettone for her Christmas guests. Now that's how I got it from her. She did a whole shopping thing on her panettone for her neighbors and friends, and I never even heard of it before. So I decided to go out and try it. Thank you, Miss Coco Peru. This will probably be a tradition in my family now. Look out, friends. Okay? So go out and get a panettone today to share with your family and guests. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thanks for watching. I'm going to have some more of this cake. This is so good.
Eating sweet, I can't resist.